are a couple of Lennox Elite series air conditioners at a church property. Just like my granddad, except in a little worse condition. It's a heat. I don't think. No, it's a straight cool unit, and it would appear this is from '09. You know, that's older than that. But anyway, granddad's from 2011. So there's the compressor. Guess that's an internal filter jar. So I guess my granddad's Lennox isn't a heat pump. I guess that's just an internal filter dryer. That's all it is. This one is also from '09, and it's also a straight cool unit. R410A, so these can't be that old. I don't know what year the church was built. Most likely 2009. I do not go to this church. Alright, and one of these is running, I believe. Yep. Oh crap, alright. Oh, both of these are running. Lennox Elite. Let's see what year these are from. '09 and straight cool. Yeah, these are all the same. Lennox. I like Lennox air conditioners. They're reliable. Alright. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Actually, that's not it, because there's more on the property. So, alright, I'll be more down there. And they have windows right by them. So, what the heck? Let's go down by them real quick. I may snap just a couple pictures of these for the photo mashup. They're all Lennox Elite. And I'm guessing they're all the same. So, this has been a 2014 Andrew B. Dish production.